Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can enable your activity status on TikTok. It is super simple. Just go to inbox right here, and as you can see, there is a gray button next to the inbox text. Select it and turn this green. So enable your activity status. You can also manage this in settings and privacy, I think. But this is just an easy way to enable your activity status on TikTok. To turn it off, to simply select it again and turn it off like so. That is basically it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comments section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!